This is a 36 megabyte model running inside this browser tab. This is the sentence it reads: an AI agent to process our incoming orders. That is not an architecture the sentence can pick on its own. That is one sentence, the way it gets said in a meeting, nothing yet about the work behind it. Single agent. And read the reason line underneath. Why you ask for this, it is repeating the request back, because the request is all it has. Now, the same situation with one thing added, not what they want built, but what the work is actually like. The answer changes. Deterministic automation and no AI needed to run it. Predictability high, reversibility high. The request never moved a word, only the description of the work did. It is not finished, it wants to know where the records land, and that answer goes straight into the shape. One click and it comes out as a one-page brief. The diagram, the reason in the tool's own words, and the two runners up at rank below, that is the page whoever signs off actually reads. Here is situation 2, a support email comes in, a ticket goes out, and the manager approves each one before it goes. That is 3 systems in one opening line. AI-assisted workflow. The AI classifies, the code executes, and people approve the exceptions. Read the reason it gives. It reads from a communication tool and writes records to a system of record. The manager sign-off did not end up as a checkbox near launch. It ended up as a node in the design. Here the same thing happens. Who owns a record once it exists? I say a support agent, and the shape absorbs it. And out comes the brief, same one page, a different shape, and every scoping answer already written into it. This is the part that normally costs a workshop and 3 meetings. Situation 3, people need to find answers in policy documents. Nothing gets created, nothing gets updated, and no system is touched. Search and retrieval, no system actions required. That last clause is the cheapest sentence in the whole project. Nothing gets written. So the rollback design, the audit trail, and most of the security review never have to exist. It still wants to know where that knowledge lives, knowledge base, and the shape updates while I'm answering. 3 situations, 3 different shapes, and one of them needed no AI at all. All of it out of 36 megabytes of model running inside the tab, with nothing you typed sent to a server. There are 7 shapes and one of them is no AI. I hope this information was useful. Give it a try and thanks for watching.